I've made over $325,000 from my media and consulting business, and on paper, I should have just kept scaling it. But I decided to take a huge risk and do the opposite. Because although the model was making me serious money, it was quietly stealing my life. So I rebuilt the entire thing in a way that gives me serious time freedom and super high profit margins, around 87%. And it worked because now I'm on track for the $32,000 month. And the weird part is, I did it all by becoming a navigator. Now you're probably like, what the f does that even mean? Well, let me show you, because it's completely changed my life for the better. Because earlier my business looked like this. There were sales or team calls every single day. I had a pretty big team. There were endless decks and presentations, and I was always on. To now having fixed call days. I just have calls 2 or 3 days a week, a lean team of 3, and 87% margins. Insane, I know. And in this video, I'm going to break it down step by step, because all it takes is taking your core expertise or knowledge, something you're good at, and creating different levels of access to you so that your calendar clears up. Because at the end of the day, what we're trying to protect is your time so that you can do whatever you want with it, but still making some serious money in the process. Also, I'll show you how scalable and leveraged this model is, because I'm scaling this to hit $110,000 per month by mid of next year. That's right, $110K per month, not year, per month, all without 70 to 80 hour work weeks. So stick around. Now, before you think this is some overnight pivot or some guru nonsense, here's some quick context. Until late last year, I was aggressively scaling my agency Unimedia. There were high ticket retainers, roughly $7,000 to $8,000 per client per month. And if I stayed on that path, we could have crossed at least $500,000 easily. But money wasn't the problem, the model was. For example, to hit that goal of $110K per month through this done-for-you agency way at about $8K per client per month, I'd need roughly 14 to 15 clients. That's doable, but owning delivery for 15 serious clients is a completely different sport. It would just mean more sales calls, more ops, more people, more meetings, just more chaos. And eventually, I wouldn't be running a business, I'd be running a machine that constantly needs me. And I've actually lived that. At one point, we had about 8 to 9 members on the team. And so I knew I wasn't building leverage, I was just building responsibility. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the work I do. I love content strategy, I love helping entrepreneurs and brands scale, and I love seeing results. But you know what I love more? My time. Like my midday workouts, reading without guilt, spontaneous travel, and spending time with my wife and family without checking WhatsApp or Slack. And also taking a random Wednesday or Thursday off in the middle of the week and just traveling more. I think I mentioned traveling already, but yeah, that's just how much I love traveling. And so I'm like, why am I grinding if I can't do any of that? So I had to ask myself, if my business is successful, but my life feels expensive or my calendar feels full, then is that really success? Is that actually freedom? That question messed with me big time. Because I knew if I kept scaling the agency the traditional way, I would have made more money, but I would have had lesser time and lesser life, if that makes sense. And especially because we have done this for numerous other clients of ours in the past, and I could see how jam-packed their calendars and lives were. And that's when I realized I need a completely different model. And through all of this, I also paused the part I actually care about the most. Helping ambitious people become entrepreneurs and stay entrepreneurs by helping them hit their financial goals. Like, I really believe that's my calling. And that started seriously bothering me. So I made a crazy move. I decided I wasn't going to go chase more agency clients. Instead, I stepped back and asked a simple question. What am I actually helping people do? Like, what am I good at? And when I stripped away all the layers from production, editing, analytics, operations, it became fairly obvious. At the core of it, I help people with one thing. I help ambitious people scale their business or content confidently using a solid content and marketing strategy. That's it. That's what I did for brands, that's what I did for myself, and that's what ambitious individuals kept reaching out to me for, even the ones who couldn't afford the full agency, and some who didn't even want someone to do everything for them. All they wanted was clarity, they wanted direction, they wanted a strategy that actually works. Because think about it, if 5 people are trying to get to the same city, they won't all choose the same route. Some people want a detailed map with step-by-step instructions and they'll drive themselves. Some want GPS guidance with a voice guiding them in real time. Some want a co-pilot sitting next to them, making sure they don't miss exits. And some people don't want to drive at all. They just want someone else to take the wheel. Same destination, different preferences, different speeds, different levels of support. So I realized, like, why am I forcing everyone into one way to work with me? Why was my agency the only option where we did everything for you? And a lot of people didn't need that or couldn't afford that because we're definitely not cheap. So I kept turning people away, and not only was I leaving cash on the table, I was leaving impact on the table because I honestly wanted to help the younger version of me, the guy with a 9 to 5, super ambitious, wants to build something real and of his own. And then once he did finally go all in on the business and start making money, how could he even scale it to actual freedom? And so those are the people I wanted to work with from different junctures of my life. And the agency model didn't let me do that at scale. And that's when I stopped thinking like an agency owner or a business owner, and I started thinking like a navigator. So I applied the same navigation concepts to my consulting business. I became the navigator, and you choose the mode based on your situation, your budget, and how hands-on you want to be. So the first route is a map with directions, where it's a DIY. If you're the kind of person who likes figuring things out yourself but just needs clarity, I give you the map, the frameworks, blueprints, step-by-step routes, and templates, and you drive a commute and I give you directions. Then we have the co-pilot, which is the done with you model. So this is what most people prefer, where you're driving but you don't want to guess or second guess. So I sit beside you and I guide you through the route and correct you when needed and help you avoid wrong turns. This is structured guidance with real feedback. This way you get everything you need along with guidance from me, so you don't waste months and years guessing. Third option is a guide, which is basically a VIP done with you model. Some people just want deeper access, not just someone in the passenger seat, but someone who walks with you when you step out of the car as well. Meaning more personalization, more one-on-one time, more speed, more proximity. So that way you get higher access to me and my time. And finally, we have the chauffeur model or the done for you model, where if you don't want to drive at all, that's fine. My team and I take the wheel and drive you to your destination. And so that way we own the whole travel or the portion of it, basically my agency offering, where you sit back and we drive you to your destination. Like I said earlier, same destination, different navigation methods, and me as the navigator. So this model does two things really well. It gives people options, letting them choose how they want to work with me, and it gives me my time back because I control the delivery. Same outcome without killing revenue, or rather increasing it actually, and we'll talk about that in a bit. A quick shout out to Fred. He has a concept called the digital coffee shop that actually sparked this model for me, but I felt like the whole coffee framing was slightly overcomplicated, and I just thought I'd simplify the whole thing with the destination example and make changes to it and frame it along the lines of the navigation model like I mentioned. Now, I'm not saying you need to build this exact model, but whatever you build has to fit you, your vision, and your lifestyle. And also remember, people buy from people, which means they're also buying your philosophy, your thinking, your values, your approach. Basically, trust is built there. Then of course, you still have to deliver results. And in my case, I'm strong in business strategy backed by content and marketing systems. So I help people get to their first 100K year or scale them to their first 300K years, both things I've done. That's what Unimedia did. That's what my coaching and mentoring does. That's what my frameworks support. Like I said, different routes, different vehicles, same destination. And that's how I'm on track to hitting the 32K a month mark. But my real goal is to hit the 110K per month mark by the mid of 2027. And so if you give me some time, I'll walk you through exactly how I'm going to get there with this model and show you how this works in practice. We'll go through what each tier actually includes, how it's structured, how I price it, and how the math actually plays out for my 110K per month goal. Let's get into it. So the first bit, like I mentioned, is the map and the frameworks piece, which is a do-it-yourself model. This is pure clarity, giving you all the specific steps, tools to get started or scale by yourself at your own pace. No hand-holding, no direct access to me, just the map and the frameworks. This is perfect for people who can't afford the next tiers but are itching to scale to their ideal monthly or yearly revenue goals. Then with the whole co-pilot model, this is my hybrid mentorship or consulting program. It basically includes 3 months structured intensive, followed by 3 months continued support, along with weekly calls and discussions and limited one-on-one access. If you're starting from scratch, I help you hit your first 100K year, and if you've already got momentum, we focus on scaling you to your 300K plus year with structure. Then we have the guide route, which is basically the VIP done with you model. This is the premium tier of my consulting program who want higher proximity. Minimum 2 dedicated one-on-one calls per month, direct feedback and support, and more accountability. This is real speed and depth because you not just get the benefits of the co-pilot model, but additionally get my time and support so that we can tackle challenges and your questions together. This is the model that most clients opt for because it has the quickest and most significant impact and turnaround. And finally, we have the chauffeur route, which is basically the done-for-you model where my agency Unimedia comes in. We handle the full content strategy, shooting guidance and support, editing, publishing, marketing, ads, content operations, all of it. I did think about moving away from this model entirely, but I decided to keep it because one, of course, it pays well, but also some people or brands genuinely don't want to execute. And so now with this Navigator model, I wasn't trying to force everyone into one expensive offer with my agency. Instead, I gave people real choices. And when you do that, you stop selling and instead you start attracting buyers. You'll notice there's a subtle difference between the two, but massive difference in outcome. Like I said, it's the same destination. I just help you get there in a way that makes sense for you. And that, folks, is the Navigator model. And when I say this model is leveraged, I mean it. Not just for time and money, which we'll talk about in a bit along with pricing, but more so for improvement and feedback. Let me explain with an anecdote. I got into content back in 2020 with my video podcast Against the Odds. And at that time, I was just trying to build something high quality, long form episodes, clips, snippets, and distribution across various platforms. And I created over 1,000 videos in the process. And in doing that, I learned a shit ton. How platforms work, what holds attention, what converts, and what doesn't. And that's really where my content strategy thinking sharpened. And as the podcast improved, it started gaining traction and people reached out asking for help. And that's how Unimedia, my media business, was formed. Then, as we worked with these big clients, I got more feedback and insights, and so I learned more. And so I realized what works at scale, what clients actually need, and what drives real business results. And so I started treating my business like a lab. I'd test something on my own content first. If it worked, I'd document it and turn it into a framework, and then I'd run it with my clients. Then I'd get better data from that, refine it again, and then I'd come back and teach it through content on Instagram and YouTube. So the loop is basically you test, then apply, collect feedback, refine, teach, attract better clients, and then you rinse and repeat. And when enough people kept asking me the same questions, how do I start, how do I scale, or how do I actually hit real numbers, I packaged that thinking too. And that became I2R, Idea to Revenue. First as a basic mentorship program, then as a structured program, and then I made the I2R YouTube series free so anyone could understand the strategy. So yeah, this isn't me just guessing on the internet. It's everything I teach that's tested in real life on my own business, with my done-for-you clients inside Unimedia, with my done-with-you clients inside the I2R program. And that's why this model compounds, because it's built to improve itself. If that's not leverage, I don't know what is. Now that's leverage for improvement, but the other side of leverage is time and money, and this is where the Navigator model becomes stupidly scalable. So these are the prices I have currently for each of my offerings. And so let's do some simple math to hit that goal of $110K per month. I would basically need 2 to 3 done-for-you clients at about $7,500 per month per client, which means around $15,000 to about $22.5K per month. Then I need about 5 to 8 VIP clients, or basically I2R VIP, at about $8,000 for 4 months. That's about $2,000 per month equivalent, which adds up to $10,000 to $16,000 per month. Then I need about 30 done with you clients in my program, my I2R program, at about $7,000 for 6 months, which includes 3 months intensive along with 3 months of support. And so if you do the math, it's around $2,333 per month equivalent, which adds up to about $70,000 per month. And then finally, I have the DIY frameworks and courses. So I need about 19 to 20 sales at about $799 a pop, which gets me to about $15,000 per month. And so if I add all of that up, it gets me to roughly $110K per month. And the best part is I can just adjust the mix. If I want fewer clients, I lean more DIY. If I want higher touch, I lean more VIP. And if I want bigger chunk of revenue with fewer clients, the done for you bit does that for me. So we spoke about the money piece. Let's actually talk about the number of hours now. So from a time perspective, done with your clients would take about 12 hours. VIP would take about 3 to 4 hours. Done for you would take about 8 to 10 hours. And do it yourself, I would probably need just about 1 hour of support every week. And then finally, I would have about 16 to 24 hours, which is kind of optional for creating my content. That's the part I want to focus on the most, because this is the part I love doing. And so even with content included, it stays around 40 to 50 hours a week. And if I'm in a season where I want more life and less content, I can cut that down hard and get to about 25 hours a week, which is pretty kick-ass if you ask me. And that's the whole point of this model. It's revenue without the agency chaos. That's leverage, not just financially, but structurally, and I get to be time rich. So currently I have more done for you clients and fewer done with you clients. That makes it evolve to fit more of what I shared here. But because I've only recently started building out my done with you offerings, the I2R hybrid as well as the VIP programs, I'm currently offering it at a reduced price for a limited time because I'm looking for absolute rock stars to be flag bearers of this program and community. But very soon, and depending on when you're watching this, I'm going to definitely increase my pricing, which means it becomes easier for me to hit my goal. And I'm going all in on the structure and model because the goal's clear, the model's built, now it's just execution. And yeah, that 110K per month is a wild number, I know. Like, I don't even know if I'll hit it, but I'd rather aim big and build properly and earn the right to it. By the way, why 110K and not just 100K? There's actually a story behind it, and I'll reveal it when I actually hit that number. So hit the subscribe button or follow me on Instagram if you'd like to know more. So yeah, that's the Navigator model. That's how I rebuilt a $325,000 business into something that gives me high margins, real leverage, and actual time freedom. Now, if this resonated with you and you'd like to work with me and you're super serious about scaling your coaching, consulting, or service-based business, or if you'd like to even get started, just DM me the word roots on Instagram and I'll reply with the different navigation routes you can take to work with me based on where you are and what level of support you want. And if you're not on Instagram for some reason, there's a form in the description below. Fill it out and I'll get back to you personally. Now, before you go, I spoke a lot about content strategy in this video, but I didn't really break down anything about content itself. And that's super important because most people completely misunderstand content. They post consistently, they try to be on every platform, they copy random tactics, and then they wonder why they're making $0. So I put together a video explaining why 99% of content creators don't make money and what actually works instead. You can watch it right here. And if you're at the very beginning, no offer yet or no real business yet, but you want to build it properly from the ground up, you can watch this video here. It walks you through the entire I2R as an idea to revenue system, step by step, to help you hit your first 10K per month goal the right way. If this helped, like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.